Lighting is a very delicate matter, especially when you design it from scratch.
This is the Sabancı Center. Since Sabancı Holding is one of the most important family organizations, Turkish industrial history, and the center of the Sabancı Center, there is a place called Otag.
From the brief that we've received, we kind of felt that this place needs a third entrance. The first building is Akbank building, which is one of the major banks in Turkey. Second building owned by Sabancı Holding. Third comes from the auditorium and meeting places. The place that combines all these three is called Otag. It's a big void, a hexagonal plan void, which is completely made out of glass. It's a crystal void. You need a central place to gather. So all these sets us to design a central gathering space. That's why we have the lighting installation done by Waxy. That kind of emphasizes, underlines that gathering space.
We as Waxy Design Studio has been studied on these keywords, create the lighting in a halogenic DNA form, technological product appearance.
Every installation is unique. You have to come with different solutions to any kind of problems like connectors, hinges, how it moves, how it will stand still, how we will hang it. So we wanted to design something that feels organic, that feels human, also feels modern and futuristic, comes with its own difficulty at manufacturing. So creating that organic feel with randomness, we have to balance it with repetition in manufacturing. So that was the biggest deal.
As a team, this is really our thing. We enjoy the challenge of making something real. Honestly, solving the problem, solving the puzzles, it's half the fun. So we don't really set limits. Installation designs, we dream big, we sketch, we design. After we're like, okay guys, this looks awesome. But how are we gonna build this? Let's start the work.